Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're hopping on a plane and heading over to the Philippines. We're headed to Vigan, Ilocos Sur, a UNESCO World Heritage City that's like taking a step back in time. It's known for its incredibly well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture, cobblestone streets, and horse-drawn carriages called kalesas. So buckle up, get comfy, and get ready for an amazing journey with us as we explore the top must-visit places in this beautiful, historic city. Alright, first things first. We gotta start our vegan adventure on Calle Crisologo. This street is the heart and soul of Vigan, and trust me, it's like walking straight into a history book. Imagine this: cobblestone streets, those gorgeous Spanish colonial houses with their terracotta roofs and ornate balconies, and those calesas I was telling you about, just clip-clopping by. It's been around since the 16th century, can you believe that? And get this, no cars allowed. It's closed off to traffic so you can really soak in the atmosphere, take your time, wander into the little shops, and just imagine what life was like back in the day. Speaking of the shops, Calle Crisologo is a shopper's paradise. You can find all sorts of unique souvenirs, local crafts, antiques, and delicious food. After that stroll down Calle Crisologo, we need to get a bird's-eye view of this incredible city, right? And there's no better place to do that than from the top of the Bantay Bell Tower. This tower is iconic. It stands tall on a hill just outside Vigan, and it's been watching over the city for centuries. It was built in the 1590s and served as a watchtower to warn the locals of approaching enemies. But the real reason to climb to the top? Those views. You can see the entire city of Vigan spread out before you, with its red-tiled roofs, church steeples, and that beautiful lush countryside in the distance. The climb to the top is worth it, trust me. You'll be rewarded with those incredible panoramic views and some amazing photos to remember your trip. Alright, history buffs, this one's for you. If you really want to delve into Vigan's rich past, you have to visit the Syquia Mansion Museum. This grand old house was once home to President Elpidio Quirino, the 6th president of the Philippines, and his family. The mansion is filled with antique furniture, historical artifacts, and personal belongings of the Quirino family. You'll see his presidential desk, his wife's elegant gowns, and even the bathtub where he used to relax after a long day of, running the country. It's fascinating to see how people lived back then. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the Syquia Mansion Museum is an absolute must-visit. It's a fascinating glimpse into the past and a great way to learn more about Philippine history and culture. Get ready to be amazed because Vigan Cathedral is next on our list, and it is absolutely stunning. This church, officially known as the St. Paul Metropolitan Cathedral, is a true architectural masterpiece. Just picture this, a grand facade with intricate carvings, soaring bell towers that seem to touch the sky, and this peaceful, almost sacred atmosphere that just washes over you as you step inside. The cathedral has survived its fair share of challenges, from earthquakes to fires, and each time it's been rebuilt and restored to its former glory. Inside you'll find beautiful stained glass windows, ornate altars, and a sense of peace and tranquility. Whether you're religious or not, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder when you step inside this magnificent cathedral. It's a testament to the faith and artistry of the people of Vigan. After exploring the cathedral, it's time to head to the heart of Vigan's social scene, Plaza Salcedo. This plaza is where locals and tourists come together to relax, enjoy the beautiful surroundings, and maybe even catch a show. During the day, Plaza Salcedo is a bustling hub of activity, with vendors selling everything from street food to souvenirs. You can find families picnicking on the grass, kids playing, and friends catching up. But as the sun sets, the plaza transforms into a magical wonderland. The dancing fountain comes alive with lights and music, creating a dazzling spectacle that will leave you mesmerized. And if you're lucky enough to be there during a festival, you're in for a real treat. Plaza Salcedo is the center stage for many of Vigan's cultural events, with lively parades, traditional dances, and music. For a deeper dive into Vigan's history, a visit to the Crisologo Museum is a must. This museum is dedicated to the life and legacy of Floro S. Crisologo, a prominent political figure from Ilocos Sur. Housed in the ancestral home of the Crisologo family, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the life and times of this influential clan. The house itself is a historical gem, with its distinctive architecture and period furnishings. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of historical artifacts, including Floro Crisologo's personal belongings, photographs, documents, and even his vintage car collection. It's like stepping back in time. The museum also sheds light on the political climate of the time, with exhibits showcasing Floro Crisologo's contributions to the Philippine government and his efforts to improve the lives of his constituents. Get your hands dirty at Pagburnayan, Vigan's renowned pottery district. This is where you can witness the traditional art of pottery making that has been passed down through generations of skilled artisans. As you step into Pagburnayan, you'll be greeted by rows of clay pots of all shapes and sizes, from the iconic jars to delicate earthenware. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the rhythmic hum of pottery wheels spinning. The highlight of visiting Pagburnayan is witnessing the potters in action. These skilled artisans use traditional techniques and tools that have been passed down for centuries, shaping and molding the clay with incredible precision and artistry. You can watch them transform a lump of clay into a beautiful, functional piece of art right before your eyes. And the best part? You can even try your hand at pottery yourself. The friendly potters are more than happy to guide you through the process, from shaping the clay on the wheel to adding intricate designs. Need a break from the hustle and bustle of sightseeing? Then head to Hidden Garden, a tranquil oasis tucked away from the crowds. This lush garden is a feast for the senses, with vibrant flowers, cascading waterfalls, and the gentle chirping of birds. As you wander through the winding paths, you'll discover hidden nooks and crannies, perfect for quiet contemplation or a romantic stroll. The air is fresh and fragrant, filled with the sweet scent of tropical blooms. But Hidden Garden is not just about natural beauty. It's also a culinary destination. The garden is home to a charming restaurant that serves up delicious local cuisine. You can dine al fresco, surrounded by lush greenery, and savor authentic Ilocano dishes made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From the mouth-watering, crispy pork belly to the savory Filipino sausage, every bite is a burst of flavor. And for dessert? Don't miss out on their Halo Halo, a refreshing Filipino shaved ice dessert that's perfect for a hot day. Calling all animal lovers. A visit to Baluarte Zoo is a must when you're in Vigan. This interactive zoo is home to a diverse collection of animals from around the world, offering a fun and educational experience for visitors of all ages. As you explore the zoo, you'll come face to face with majestic tigers, playful monkeys, colorful birds, and even some rare and endangered species. The enclosures are designed to mimic the animals' natural habitats as closely as possible. But Baluarte Zoo is not your typical zoo. Here, you can get up close and personal with some of the animals through their interactive experiences. You can even feed the giraffes, pet a python, or have your picture taken with a tiger cub. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even take a ride on the zoo's safari tram, which takes you on a guided tour through the different animal enclosures. It's a great way to see all the animals and learn about their unique characteristics and behaviors. As we wrap up our adventure in Vigan, let's take a final stroll through Vigan Heritage Village, the heart and soul of this remarkable city. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living museum where centuries-old architecture, cobblestone streets, and horse-drawn carriages transport you back to a bygone era. Imagine yourself strolling down Calle Crisologo, where time seems to stand still. The Spanish colonial houses, with their terracotta roofs, ornate balconies, and Capiz shell windows, whisper stories of a rich and vibrant past. As you wander through the streets, you'll encounter locals going about their daily lives, their warm smiles and friendly greetings, a testament to the city's welcoming spirit. You can browse the shops for unique souvenirs, savor delicious local delicacies, or simply soak up the charming atmosphere. Vigan Heritage Village is a testament to the enduring legacy of the past, a place where history comes alive and leaves an indelible mark on your soul. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and a celebration of the beauty and resilience of the human spirit. So, as you bid farewell to this enchanting city, take with you the memories of its cobblestone streets, its architectural marvels, and the warmth of its people. Vigan is a place that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Well, that was incredible, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed our virtual journey to Vigan, Ilocos Sur. From the historical charm of Calle Crisologo to the breathtaking views from Bantay Bell Tower, Vigan is a city that has something for everyone. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this trip as much as I did. Until next time, keep exploring.